Today, I'm going to show you how to export a DWG file to KML and import a KML file into CAD using AddoSoft AddoBar. As you can see, I have a drawing open that I'd like to export. Before we start, navigate to the AddoSoft ribbon. As you can see in this drawing, we have multiple layers. These layers will be exported to KML, and we will keep the layers intact. Additionally, all text items will be converted into placemarks in the KML file. To export, click the AS/KML button in the ribbon and select Export. In the export window, you have several options. Swap the X and Y axes, invert X, invert Y, convert meters to millimeters. Now, before exporting, make sure to enter the LO system degrees for the area you are exporting. This ensures that the data is correctly aligned with the specific longitudinal zone in South Africa. Then click Export. You will be asked to select all the items you want to export. After selecting, press Enter, and the file will begin exporting. This process may take some time, depending on the size of the drawing and the performance of your computer. Once it's done, Google Earth will open. As you can see, we have successfully exported all our items to KML. Each layer in the original drawing is now represented by a separate folder in the KML file. This organization helps maintain the structure of the drawing and makes it easier to manage and view the different layers in Google Earth. Now, let's import this KML file back into CAD. Start by saving this file as a KML file. Once saved, you can proceed with the import process. Let's close this drawing and open a blank drawing. Next, click on AS/KML again, then select Import. Choose the file you want to import and click Import. The import process may take some time, depending on the size of the file and the performance of your computer. Once the import is complete, you will find the items back in CAD with the layers intact. That concludes our demonstration. You've now seen how easy it is to export and import KML files using AddoBar. Thank you for choosing AddoSoft. We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.